discussing the development of palate, we know that there are two medial noisal processes which fuse to each other to form philtrum. Now let us see what is behind the philtrum in a transverse section. In a transverse section, behind the philtrum is formed premaxilla, also called as the primitive palate. Okay, that is where our incisor, upper incisors are lodged. Now on the sides are maxilla, the developing maxilla. They send palatine process of maxilla. This palatine process of maxilla fuses with the premaxilla. It fuses with each other to form the palate. Posterior part does not ossify and forms the soft palatine uvula. Now let us see the 5 possibilities where that can happen, developmental errors or embryological problems. The first is that the two palatine processes of maxilla fail to fuse with each other and also with the premaxilla. That time there will be bilateral cleft lip and cleft palate. Second possibility, one side premaxilla fuses with the maxillary process, other side then there will be unilateral cleft lip with cleft palate. Third possibility is that both the palatine processes of maxilla fuse with the premaxilla. They have fused with the premaxilla, but they have failed to fuse with each other. So that time there is a midline cleft palate. Okay, midline cleft palate. Fourth possibility is that the two fuse with each other anteriorly, but posteriorly they don't fuse with each other, and this leads to the cleft palate, cleft in the soft palate. Soft, because posterior part forms the soft palate. Last possibility is all the fusion happens. Anteriorly also there is fusion, in midline there is fusion, posterior most tip, the fusion between the two palatine process of maxilla does not happen, and this leads to cleft uvula. So these are the 5 possibilities. Thank you. First condition is called as bilateral cleft lip with cleft palate. This will be called unilateral cleft lip with cleft palate. While this third condition is only midline cleft palate, no cleft lip. Here also no cleft lip, only cleft palate is posteriorly, and this is bifidular.